Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. Markets were not bad as expected. Most of the stocks recovered or at least they were sustaining. But let's talk about the market indexes to get overall idea. I'm on the daily chart of Dubai Financial Market Index, that is Dubai Stock Market. It has printed a decisive red candle. It broke the immediate support, that is 5,958. I must say it is not bullish, it is still bearish till the time we are not clearing this swing high, that is 6,052 points. We can still consider more drop to the downside. Tomorrow will be a test day. There are very good chances we may see a green candle printed. This would most likely give us a confirmation that market has more chance of going up from here and it can break out this resistance. In case of the breakout, the next area of hurdle that market will face is 6,096 points. This is very important support and resistance area. Previously, check this out right here, market was trying to hold up here. This zone is very crucial. And then finally, after the breakdown, if at all it is visiting this zone for the first time, we may see some kind of reaction, either a rejection or a sideways momentum or a drop. All three scenarios are possible. Obviously, because this is resistance area, if at all it goes up continuously, then we may see reaction. Otherwise, if at all it consolidates below this zone and then if it breaks to the upside, this would be considered sustainable. On the other side, that is negative obviously, then next support area is at 5,896. If this fails, we have 5,822 points. Hopefully we don't visit these zones. I want to see market climbing up. Many of us are holding good positions in stocks. I want them to recover so that we can exit with profits. For now, yes, it is very tricky. We cannot say it is bullish yet. Most likely during this week itself we will get an idea if at all market is trending up or it wants to come down for a deeper correction. For now, till the time there is no clarity, I would like to give it a down tick. Once we see a breakout, then obviously I will change my view. On the other hand, ADX market is looking more attractive and positive than DFM market index. Check this out. Today it broke the support, that is at 10,102 point. The low it made was at 10,064 and then it recovered to close exactly at the support zone. This clearly indicates our marked zones are just perfect. They are working fine. This is demand zone for the market and the market is respecting too. This is a nice pin bar or hammer candle. After this, I want to see a follow through. If at all it can break this swing high, that is 10,160, this would be a confirmation that now market is gearing up for 10,246 points, that is resistance zone. Once this is taken out, then we have the previous swing high that was hit in the month of August, that is 10,360. For now, there are still chances. I must say it can come down to visit the support, that is 10,051. Today it almost hit the support, I must say, but if at all, if this zone is not sustaining, we have support at 10,000. This is very crucial for the market. This is psychological, technical and a whole number. This is a good demand area. Again, hopefully market does not come this low. I want to see a follow through tomorrow, because after a hammer candle, if at all we see a follow through, most likely this is a confirmation that we are going up from here. So tomorrow will be very interesting for both the markets. Let's see how the market performs tomorrow. Most importantly, the closing is important. So till the time again we don't see a decisive candle and a breakout of this resistance, I will still give it a down tick. Once we see a closing above the resistance, then obviously I will change my view to the upside. One of the stock that surprised everyone is Lulu. Today it opened flat and we can see good buying pressure with good volumes. As I had updated earlier, Lulu is still in a downtrend right from the top, or I must say from the listing day itself we are seeing a drop. It is making lower lows and lower highs. It is in a defined downtrend. Obviously if you're holding, you must be getting dividends, but the losses will be huge because those who purchased at the top, they are still holding it and they are in big losses. So with this one, I'm not expecting very high hopes. This can be just a short recovery or a small upside momentum after a big drop. Check this out. What happens is, in a strong downside momentum, right from here, if we see from the top, that is 2.05, it came down aggressively, a small retracement and then again a drop to the downside is seen. Similar scenario, after a very long drop, a small recovery was seen and again it broke the low. Check this out, the support was broken. From here we saw a recovery again. It went up but it could not sustain and it broke the low that it created right here. So this happens again and again in a downtrend. Technically, this is called a dead cat bounce. When a stock is declining, we see some recovery and then it makes a new low. This is a typical scenario in a downtrend. So when can we confirm if the correction is over and we are now ready to go up? First thing first, price is trading within this channel pattern. This is the lower support channel area right here, this green line, and the top one is obviously resistance. Whenever it tries to break out, it gets rejected and makes a new low. So tomorrow will be a test day for Lulu, whether it breaks this trend line, the upper resistance, and sustains, or it goes up, gets rejected and come down. First indication is positive, no doubt. We can already see a breakout of this median of this channel. Lulu have closed above this line, so this is a good indication. Second indication would be when we see a defined breakout above this channel, then we can confirm a channel breakout. But the trend reversal will only happen when it breaks and closes above this resistance, that is 1.24. From here there are chances it may go up, come down, again go up, come down, or even make a new low. So the best scenario would be if at all we can see a decisive candle close above this zone. If at all it retests successfully, and then from here when it makes a new high, this would be a confirmation that now Lulu is ready to go higher. It is starting a uptrend. It is starting to make higher highs and higher lows. This would be a confirmation of a reversal. For now, it is very tricky. It can go up, it can go down, it can bull trap also. By the way, let me tell you, Lulu started its trading right at this area, that was on 14th of November. It opened at 2.04. From here it made a all-time low, that is at 1.07, and from here we are seeing some recovery, or I must say a bounce only, not a reversal yet. If at all we see a confirmed reversal, then this would be very aggressive. You will notice that it will start printing bigger candles the way we saw here, but it was in red candle because the trend was to the downside. Similarly, if at all it is starting a upside trend, then candles will be big. It will keep opening with gap ups and print bigger green candles. So let's see if this was just a bull trap or it is genuinely trying for a reversal. For more detailed analysis, scan the QR code and join my YouTube membership. If this video was helpful, hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.